Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to create a high converting landing page in less than 10 minutes. You don't need to know design, copywriting or coding to build a landing page anymore. With the right prompt, AI can do most of the work for you. And now we'll see how. Now I'm going to show you how to create your complete landing page using AI and then putting it live on your domain. For doing this landing page, I'm going to use Claude and I'm going to paste the prompt I created, especially for this project. As you can see, it's very detailed, and if you want a copy of it, you can just go in the description and download it for free. And you can use it for any kind of business. You just need to do a few tweaks. This landing page will be perfect if you want to sell digital products or physical products or services. You will just need to do some minor changes and you can really adapt it to anything you need. And everything will be done in just less than 10 minutes. As you can see, Claude is working on the prompt, and you will just need a few minutes to have all your work completely finished. You won't have to hire any designer, any coding expert. It's just you and Claude and the instructions you give it. If you're a beginner, this is where things get really powerful, because with the prompt I'm using here, creating a landing page becomes much easier. Instead of figuring everything out from scratch, you're starting with a structure that's already designed to work. A good prompt gives the AI clear direction, so instead of random output, you get something that already follows a logical flow, with sections that make sense and content that's usable. For example, if you're working on a product, you can use this to quickly create a page to present it. Instead of spending days planning everything out, you can go from idea to something real in a very short time. It's also really useful if you're freelancing. If you have a client that needs a landing page, this can speed up your entire workflow. In fact, you can generate a solid first version of the landing page just in minutes. And then you can just work on the small changes, the fine-tuning, and that's a really big advantage, especially if you want to take on more projects. So it will be just a few moments until Claude finishes creating the landing page. Here we go. So on the left we can see the instructions that Claude followed and what he did exactly. And also we should have the HTML file to download. We'll deal with that in a few moments. And on the right we have the landing page itself. So we gave it very clear instructions. So this landing page, as you see, has got a lot of information on it. It's a mock-up for SEO agency, digital marketing. What's important to understand is that the more specific you are with your prompt, the better result you'll have at the end. Because if you go in an AI tool and type in something like, make me a landing page for a marketing agency, you'll get a result that will be fine, but probably won't be high converting. Okay. Now we can see how to go live with the landing page. using the HTML file created by Claude. So in my case, my domain hosting is SiteGround, and what you need to do is go in File, File Manager, then click on Public and upload the HTML file of your landing page. Here, in this case, it's leverage.html. Then you can save it. You might need to clear the cache before it goes live. And then you can check it live and see what you think about it. And just type in a new page your website / the name of your landing page .html, and you will see your web page live. And now you have all your sections, marquee banner, orange background, rotated slightly with infinite scrolling, then your services grid with 4 cards, and you can hover over a card and you see the radial glow that follows your mouse that's been inserted in the prompt specifically. So if you want to have that on your page, you just need to copy and paste that section as well. Then you've got your stats sections with all the information you want to insert. Your testimonials, we've got 6 cards, proper client names, avatars and service badges. And then you've got the contact form, which is the most important. The service checkboxes are styled cards, but you can change the style if you want something else. And then if you click on the services button, it takes you back to that section of the page. Same with the process. Just click that and you go to the specific section. And the same with the results and the testimonials, and Get Started takes you to the form. So this is all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to download your free prompt so you can create your own landing page just in a few minutes.